Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a lion's mane jellyfish. We'll begin by establishing the mane bell, which is the largest part of this magnificent creature. Think of it as a wide, shallow dome, perhaps about 6 inches across for a medium-sized drawing. Next, we'll add a slightly smaller, inner dome to give the bell its characteristic translucent appearance. Finally, we'll sketch the central mass of oral arms, which will be a ruffled, intricate shape directly beneath the bell's center. Now, let's bring those fascinating tentacles to life. The lion's mane jellyfish is known for its incredibly long and numerous tentacles, sometimes stretching over 100 feet. Draw many fine lines radiating outwards from the bell's rim, varying their lengths and thicknesses to create a natural, flowing look. For the oral arms, focus on creating a ruffled, almost fabric-like texture with gentle curves and folds. These details truly capture the jellyfish's unique beauty. To give our jellyfish a sense of life and movement, we'll add some subtle textures. The bell itself is quite delicate, so use very light, feathery strokes to suggest its transparency and slight irregularities. Imagine it gently pulsing through the water. Introduce soft ripples and folds, especially around the bell's edges and within the oral arms, to convey that graceful underwater motion. You can also add tiny, scattered dots to hint at its potential for bioluminescence, making it truly glow. For our final touches, we'll focus on shading to give our drawing depth and dimension. Apply soft, gradual shading to the underside of the bell, making it appear more rounded and three-dimensional. Darken the areas where the oral arms and tentacles overlap, creating a sense of intricate layering. Remember to leave some areas unshaded or lightly shaded to act as highlights, emphasizing the jellyfish's translucent and ethereal nature. This brings our lion's mane jellyfish to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.